A move-in ready 4-bedroom home with a pool in a Mesa golf course community for under $500,000? Come inside. One upgrade you'll notice immediately is the flooring. This is reclaimed wood from a 1909 Midwest barn. This is character and craftsmanship that brings warmth and authenticity that you just can't replicate. Inside, you'll find a bright split floor plan with nearly 2,000 square feet of functional space and flexible living area. The kitchen includes new stainless steel appliances, and there's a family room set up as a game room with a pool table included. The owner's suite features new carpet and paint, a walk-in closet, and a private exit to the backyard. You'll also appreciate the 2-car garage with epoxy floors, the inside laundry with washer and dryer, 3-year-old HVAC system, and cost-saving solar panels. And out here you get a PebbleTech pool, a spa, a shed, an elevated spot to have your morning coffee, and a covered patio. Everything you need for Arizona living. You're close to Augusta Ranch Elementary and Desert Ridge schools, parks, dining, shopping, and quick freeway access to the 60 and the 202. If you'd like a private tour, just reach out. It's time to see yourself right here in Augusta Ranch.